beef tapa. I'm cooking Super Daddy Meal beef tapa. So super tapa is almost ready. I want it well done. And we have egg. So it's beef ay tapsilog. Okay, so we got the leftover rice. And we're just gonna do a little fried rice from the residue of the beef tapa where we cooked it. So I'm getting hungry. We have the egg still cooking itself. Oh, look at it, looks happy. So here it is. So let's eat. Ooh, look at the tapa right there. The egg. We have the fried rice. We have the steamed rice.